Well, if it walks and quacks like a duck, it's a duck. That's what a St. Louis judge said today about the St. Louis Circuit Attorney's defiance of a court order.
Fox Files investigator Chris Hayes was the only reporter in the virtual courtroom for today's legal fireworks over Kim Gardner's communications.
The judge today vigorously criticized the Circuit Attorney's Office for its lack of response. He was referring to a fight by a Washington, D.C. reporter to obtain communications between Kim Gardner and people of influence. Former Missouri Governor Eric Greitens continues demanding to know who Circuit Attorney Kim Gardner spoke to during her failed case against him. Greitens was indicted in 2018 for invasion of privacy, accused of taking a picture of his blindfolded and bound mistress. Greitens told only Fox 2 this past February he never took a picture. Prosecutors never found one. The case was dismissed. Reporter John Solomon with a website called Just the News filed a lawsuit demanding records of attorney communications during the Greitens prosecution. He won a default judgment for the records in July. The Circuit Attorney's Office failed to respond. And today, the office's new private counsel, David Luce from the firm Cape Sokol, said, "There's no getting around the fact there were mistakes made in handling this case. We apologize to court and counsel for those mistakes." Then added, "That said, the law is very clear. The punishment does not fit the crime." Judge McGraugh said this didn't just happen once. He added, "This is consistent behavior." And he said he didn't blame the previous attorney representing the office, but said, "I think it's the office that's attempting to obfuscate this process." The new counsel for the circuit attorney answered, "Previous counsel was not instructed to slow play this case. That just did not happen. They're on fire, busy over there. Previous counsel was never instructed to slow play the case by anyone." Attorney David Rowland with the Freedom Center for Missouri said the next fight will be to make sure the records are not completely blacked out.
That is what they suggested. So I would hope that the judge would not let them get away with that. Again, once you have defaulted in a case, you're not supposed to be able to go back and argue the merits again. And that's kind of what the circuit attorney is asking to do. They want to be able to submit redacted documents and say there's nothing to see here.
The judge will rule soon. He could set aside this entire case. He could find the circuit attorney's office in contempt, or he could lay out specifically what is to be released. We'll be monitoring that. A spokesperson for the circuit attorney's office added that this is just one of many cases that they're trying to comply with under the Sunshine Law, and that they're doing the best they can under these extraordinary circumstances. For the Fox Files, I'm Chris Hayes.
Eric Greitens sent Fox 2 a statement reading, quote, "Kim Gardner and the allies she worked with engaged in a criminal effort to drive me from office. Her investigator was charged with 7 felonies. Now she's defied the judge's order to turn over her communications with her allies in Soros's organization and the Republican establishment. The truth will prevail. Gardner and her allies need to be held accountable," end quote.